How to deposit or withdraw on OKX for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can deposit or withdraw on OKX. Now this video is for beginners, so I'll just be guiding you through the basics only, how you can deposit or how you can withdraw. First things first, you want to get verified. You can see get verified option. Go ahead and get verified by providing your details, and once you have done so, you can head back to the app. Right on the exchange, now you can tap on the assets tab at the bottom right corner, and if you haven't yet deposited, you'll find the deposit option. If you have already deposited, then you'll find both deposit and withdraw option. In order to deposit, tap on deposit and go ahead and deposit. Now as I mentioned before, you'll have to get verified first. Once you select the deposit, if you are verified, you want to select the type of deposit you want to make, such as USD or crypto, that is fiat balance or crypto. Then follow the instructions to complete the deposit. Select the crypto you wish to purchase, select the amount, enter in your payment details, and you're good to go. Similarly, for withdrawals, you want to head into assets tab, and here you'll get the withdraw option. Select the withdraw option and then select whether you want to withdraw crypto or your fiat balance. If you select the type of withdrawal you want to make, such as crypto, then you can select crypto and the crypto that you wish to withdraw, and then you want to select the amount, and you should be able to get the option to enter in the wallet address that you wish to send the crypto to, or that you wish to withdraw to, and you can enter it in there, the address, paste it in, and you're good to go. This is how you can deposit or withdraw on OKX for beginners. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.